Hi, this is Catherine from In the Pink Designs. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I have a project that is a little bag. It's a pinch bag. Some people call them boxes. Well, when they're bigger, it looks more like a box. But it opens up, and I also show you how to make this little tassel for it. Okay. We're going to start with a 7 by 7 3/4 piece of Bird Ballad Designer Series paper, which is on sale right now for $8.05, and it is while supplies last because it is retiring. And we need our Simply Score. And first we're going to score on the 7-inch side. And we're going to score at 2, oops, this side, 2, 3 1/4, 5 1/4, and 6 1/2. And then we're going to turn it once. And now it's on the 7 3/4 side, and we're going to score it at 1 1/4 and 5 3/4. Okay. Now I'm going to burnish all of these folds. This is one of my favorite Designer Series papers, but they have some other nice ones coming up too, some really cute ones. Okay. Now, this is what we want it to look like after we cut it up. So, let's see. Here. We're going to take this away, and we're going to take all of this away. Okay. So maybe you can see it better if I fold it like that. This is going to be our flap, our cover on the top, so we're taking off everything that goes up to it. Okay. And now on the bottom, we're going to take this little skinny rectangle, and then we're just going to wedge a little bit out of this long rectangle. And then the bottom is like most of the boxes I do. You cut the rectangle straight and wedge in a little bit into the squares. Okay. So now I want you to round the corners of the top flap. Okay, and since this is going to be paper to paper, we can use snail to close the box. And you want to get it as close to this edge as you can. Okay. Now, since this is going to be your front, we know that this is the back. So we're going to put that down first, and we're going to put some more snail on the bottom of the box. All right. And we're going to hold it up like this and put our fingers right in the middle of the sides and push as we're pulling in with our thumbs on the top. And if you fill it first, if it is a tall thing that's in there, it will stop around here, so you'll have enough room in there. Okay, and that is the actual box part. Now, what I put on this was Velcro, little Velcro. I think I put just a little too much because it's a little bit too strong. So what I think I'm going to do is, where did I put my Velcro? Here it is. I got this Velcro at Walmart, but not at the actual store. I had to get it from Walmart.com. I think it was like $6.99, and there's 40 ovals in here. So I used an entire oval. I think this time I'm going to cut it in half because I really don't think we needed, I mean, it's just a little paper box. We don't need that much strength. Okay, I'm going to peel the whole thing off, and we're going to put it on the lid and really push it on there. And then we're going to, I just peeled the whole thing off first so that I can get the backing off of the other side of the Velcro. There we go. And then put the loop side back on top and pinch your box closed and just rub it on there. All right. And then when it opens up, just put your fingers in and really give it a good push on. Now you could cut it in the shape. I guess I could have done that to make it look a little nicer. All right. Now that's our box. Now I'm going to work on the little tassel. What I did was I took a piece of cardboard and I cut it at 1.5 inch. And I took our Whisper White solid baker's twine and I wrapped it around about 15 times.
Hey, Mom, you reading a video? Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. And I'm going to use my fabric scissors. It's going to get a little hard. Okay, now I take, you could use a little needle if you can't get it, but I just take a piece of the Whisper White and I pull it up here to the top, and then I'm going to knot it off. Once, whoops, and then one more time. Okay. And that gives us our top. And then I'm going to take my scissor and get it in underneath everything and pull it up as far as I can to the top and cut them all. And then it'll come right off. And now we can snip it off of the big roll too. And then we need another piece just to make the top part of the tassel. Just tie it and give it another tie. Make a nice knot on there. And then what I do is I just cut them the same length as the rest. Okay, there's our little, I use little a lot, sorry, I have to stop doing that. There's our tassel. Okay. Now, let me get my pieces. I used a piece of Pool Party and I punched it out with the 1 3/8 8-inch scallop circle punch, which is retiring, still available now. And I cut out a 1 1/8 piece of Petal Pink, which kind of matches this, to put on top. And then I punched out with the small bloom punch 2 pieces of Pool Party. And this is still going to be available. I'm not sure if it's available right now, but it's coming back in the catalog. Okay, and I'm going to get my pad, my pen. And I'm just going to pop these up just a little bit. Okay. And I need my dimensionals. There we go. Now for the back, I'm going to put, I'm going to lay this, excuse me, how far I want it to hang below the circle. I'm going to put a dimensional over it. And one again on it. Just like that. I really didn't need that one. Okay. So since I put one on that side, I guess I should squeeze one over here too. All right. I put them pretty close together, so now I need to really get in there with my fingers. All right. Okay, you're going to cut this really close so that it doesn't show up above the top. Okay. And then we're going to just place this nicely, evenly right in the middle and making sure that this comes out the bottom. You can pull up your Velcro and go like this. Okay. Now, we're just going to use some glue dots. Put our little bloom together. I'm just going to offset them a little bit. Now I'm going to bring my pen in again. Pop it up. I'm going to put a rhinestone in there. I'm just going to put an epoxy droplet, not a rhinestone, up an epoxy droplet in there. And then I'm going to put some more glue dots on there. I think I'm going to put 2 just to make sure it stays on there nicely. Okay, I'm going to put that right in the middle. Oh my. Just press on there. And there we go. We have our beautiful pinch bag. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I would love it if you would subscribe. I do videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And all of these things are, all of the supplies that I use on these projects are available at Stampin' Up. And my address you can buy through me is right at the top of the screen. I will also have all my measurements on my blog, which is in the link below. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye.